and click to the link and get into the website. So here is the front page of the website. So here on the upper side, connect wallet. So here you go and connect your wallet, MetaMask, Coinbase wallet and other wallets. So you go there and connect your wallet, and here is the pre-sale option and stake option. Buy PEED now. At pre-sale, 1 PEED is equal to $0.0005. Next price is 0.00055, and here connect the wallet and pay your dollars and convert into the coins. So here is the stake. So here is staking dashboard. Open position, manage your staking, connect the wallet to see the position. So first you go and connect the wallet and see the positions. The next is make Ethereum great again. Match chain layer scaling, scalable transaction, lowers fees, and optimize security, instant financing, smart contract, seamless execution. And the next is breeding, aging, faster settlements. And the next is story. Here is the story of the website. Chapter 1, the Desert Genius. In the scorching heat of a mainland desert in the Hassan Peep and the JP both, with the distinct faces and Hassan Peep the fog, come up the idea of the own meme company proposed monetization, and GP social media hassle they quickly create a launch and Pedos account. These are soon flooded in investor, but just as they begin to rise, Wester Frog the beginning of reason. And here is the chapter 2. So you go there and read one by one and get a lot of information about the website. So next we go to their success is not finding and what is this. So you go there and know about the roadmap. Here is the roadmap of the website. Step 1, protocol development. Development Ethereum staking the contracts and reward distribution. Step 2, PEEP-DOS launch and pre-sale. Conceptualize meta chain layer 2 architecture. And step 3, match and transact release. Step 4, mainnet launch and DEF integrations, and step 5, governance and DAO formation. So pre-sale is live now, so you go there and get these coins from the pre-sale DOS nomic, and here is 30%, 30% pre-sale, 30% staking, marketing 20%, liquidity 12.5%, project 12.75%. And how to buy. Connect your wallet. To get started, click the connect wallet and connect the wallet and transfer your money to the pre-sale options and enter the desired amount and buy the tokens. So you received into your wallet and click and buy this and transaction receive your paid. And here is the questions about the website. What is speed? What is the purpose of skipped? And can people can use outside ecosystem? How I buy speed? Will there be pre-sale option given? Is there tokenomics mechanism? And furthermore, so next we go to their white paper. Here is the white paper of the website, Peed and Smith white paper. So here is expect introduction, and there are much more given by the website. So you go there and read by one and get the latest updates about the website and know a lot of things about the website. So you get more advantages from the website and earn a lot of money through this website. So next we go to math chain. So here is the math chain level 2 up, less fees. So this math chain is coming soon. So you wait for some time and get the latest update about the website. So guys, the next is we go to their social media's account. So first we go to their Telegram. Here is the Telegram of the PEEP-DOS officials. 9 subscribers are there. You can go there and view the channel and subscribe to the Telegram page, channel, and get the latest updates about the upcoming tips from the website and earn a lot of money through this coin. So next we go to the X. Here is the X of PEEP-DOS. There are 1,682 followers are there. Here are the new posts of the website. So you go there and follow the page and get the latest update about the website and earn a lot of money through this website. So guys, I hope this video is very useful for you. If you like the video, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so you receive the upcoming tips from my YouTube channel. So guys, see you in the next video.